Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you stopped by today. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Advent box from She Reads Truth. And I am so excited, you guys. I love their Advent studies and I really just love everything about Christmas and the entire Christmas season. So this is going to be awesome. First of all, check out this awesome box. I love when they send boxes that have some color or some decoration. And this goes right along with the theme, and it says good news of great joy. And this is the November subscription box. So of course they send the Advent book in November so that we have it in plenty of time to start the study. All right, let's get this open. Oh, yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the card, the study card. I love these little cards. They tell us when everything starts and usually have a little more information on them. So this one says read daily with the community. Plan begins November 28th. So that will be the Sunday, I believe, after Thanksgiving. So that's coming up. And then down here it will show you some of the upcoming studies. So in our December box, we're going to receive John. In January's, we'll receive a study called Do Not Fear. And in February's, the book of Ezekiel. So that is super awesome. I love this picture. It's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to look through this book. Okay, next we have, I love this. They did this in the Advent, with the Advent study last year. They give you a little bonus. And these are awesome. So, okay, yes, there's more than one. And I love these. I actually never did frame last year's, but I think that would be such a good idea, either to frame it or somehow use them for decoration. But this one says, yet in thy dark streets shineth the everlasting light. That is awesome. And then the hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. Oh, those are so beautiful. So awesome. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this book. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Okay, so it is shiny, which is awesome. So of course we have the gold foil shiny, but I really hope the camera's picking that up. The whole cover has like a luster, is that the right word? It's like a shiny material. I hope that it's picking that up. So of course the gold shines, but even the back is kind of like a champagne color, very light champagne color and very shiny. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. And then the subject for this book is church calendar. And it is a fairly thick study. We'll see how many weeks it is. I guess all the way through Advent. I don't know off the top of my head how many weeks that is. All right. Oh, this inside too. It's the shiny champagne color. Okay. So then we have our name page. We always have the name page where you can write in your name and the date that we start this study, either with the community or if you do it on your own. Of course, this would be one to, if you were ever going to do one with the community, this is probably a good one too, since it is specific to a certain time of year. All right. And then we have our editor's letter. Love to read those. And then we have our design on purpose pages. It tells you a little bit about why they went with this design. And then this looks like, okay, it says meet Chef Simone. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I'm guessing he is the chef that had the ideas for some of the recipes that we'll see in this book. Then you always have the how to use this book pages. It just kind of breaks down how this study is laid out. And then our table of contents. Oh, and here's some of the food. All right, so we have section 1, looks like 16 days. And then section 2, just a couple days there. section 3, section 4. So 36, looks like day 36. So this will be a 36-day study, kind of broken out into sections. It looks like, yeah, broken out into sections based on these topics. Awesome. And then we have an introduction to Advent. Very cool. Advent rhythms, the seasons of the church, and then section 1 begins. So looking like lots of extras in here. Then we have day 1, day 2. Oh, and then this is awesome. Day 2 has a place to write. That's really pretty too. And then cross stitch patterns. This is one of the extras. Then we have day 3. Awesome place to write. I love those pages. They're so pretty. And then day 4. Looks like an extra. And then day 5 and 6. A recipe. It's awesome. We have day 7. Day 7 is a grace day. Look at that beautiful picture. And then day 8, the second Sunday of Advent. Awesome. We'll start to flip through this just a little quicker. There is another craft project. Oh yes, I'm seeing lots of extras in this study book. So, of course, the daily studies with room to write and reflect. Oh, here's a song, the first Noel. And then lots of extras, crafts, recipes, music, other pages that explain different things that go along with the study, which is really awesome. Here we're in section 2, another song. Oh, this is just packed full, you guys, of amazing things. Those recipes looking pretty yummy. Oh my goodness, you see that one? Look at that. Salted chocolate chip cookies. Yes, this study is going to be amazing. Oh, here's the picture that was on the card, the informational card. Awesome. And then for the record, oh, okay. Oh, this is wonderful. Okay, so usually at the very end, there is a for the record page, but it's usually just one page. This is amazing, probably because it's at the end of the year. I don't know if I noticed this in last year's, or I don't remember, I guess, from last year. I'll have to go back and look, but this is multiple pages, excuse me, of for the record. So a place where you can track things from that year or just write down things to remember. So we have, how did I celebrate this Advent season? How did I spend time in contemplation this Advent? What was my favorite Christmas carol to sing this year? My favorite scripture from this study? My favorite day in this Advent study? That's awesome. So we're getting much more detailed than normal. Then we have, what does Jesus' declaration that he is the light of the world mean to me now? What did I learn this Advent? How was Christmas Day different this year because of what I read? What does it look like to reflect the light of Christ in my life and community beyond the holiday season? And then, oh, this is awesome. So then in 2021, how did I see God at work over the past year? My favorite She Reads True study, something God taught me, something about his character and something he taught me about myself. An unexpected joy, an unexpected sorrow, I'm proud of, the highlight of my year, and a place for your prayer for 2022. That's awesome. I love it. Gosh, I love it so much. All right, you guys, well, there it is, the gorgeous Advent 2021 study book. I want to hear from you guys. How many of you have purchased this or are purchasing it? How many of you are going to be reading along in this study book? Also, keep in mind, if you're not getting the book, you can still at least read along with some of the daily content on the She Reads Truth app, and you will have to pay for the app if you want the specific Advent content, I believe, but that is a much cheaper expense than the book. So just keep that in mind. I will put some information below this video and a link that if these books are still available, I will link them so you can purchase one if you would like to. And yeah, join in on this amazing study over this Christmas season. Well, thank you guys so much for unboxing this beautiful book with me. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you make sure notifications you will be notified when I post my next video. And I will talk to you then. Bye.